Hi, welcome. So this week we aren't necessarily going to be doing auditions or traditional acting jobs. We are still doing acting because one of the things about being an actor is to have experiences and to learn all about the world around us so that we're better to express our emotions as we go into our roles. So here I am at the Hong Kong airport on my way to Thailand, where I'll spend about a month and a half exploring and challenging myself in new and exciting ways. So, welcome to my passion. So hi everyone, we are back. We are now on our way to the Elephant Nature Park. We are going to spend a week playing, learning, and enjoying about saving the elephants here in Thailand. So come along with us and we'll learn lots about elephants. So hi guys, here we are at the elephant camp. You could see, and you could pan this way a little bit, these are the little bungalows that we're going to be staying in. And right behind me, which I'll probably have to zoom in, is the largest spider I've ever seen bring it back down to me. The largest spider I think I've ever seen in my life. It is the size of my hand. So I'll zoom in for you and show it to you. Let's just find it. Hi guys, what a great first day with these guys right behind me. We got to go in the water and give them a bath and spend some time with them. Looking forward to another great day tomorrow. So here we are doing our morning rounds, which you can see is, oops, Cooper.
What are you doing? You said the back is not.
You say, I want food.
Give me some.
Nice video of you guys.
Oh yeah.
So how does it feel to mush bananas?
What? Come on, lady boys. Okay. That's it.
Oh, it's so beautiful here. Yeah, I was just backing up a little bit so we can get everybody in this.